smoked by a big snook. Oh, damn. All right, here's probably the smallest one in there. What I'm gonna do is get super close. I'm gonna skip it back up in there and then see if I can pull something from in there. Oh my God, I got smoked by a big snook, y'all. I got smoked by a big snook. Oh, damn. Not in there. Not in there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Oh my God. This snook is huge. This snook is huge. Oh. Oh my God, he's cooking me. He's cooking me. No. He trying to go in the mangroves. Let's go. Oh my God, y'all. Oh my God. Oh my God, it worked. It worked. It worked. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, he's so heavy. Whoa. Whoa. Woo! Oh my God, bro. Bro. I got it. Dude, look at this snook. Stop, 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 stop. I don't even know how to hold this thing. I don't even know how to hold this thing. Let's go! He's, the end of the ruler is a 30 right there. He's probably about 33. Golly. Look at that mouth, y'all. I'm ready. Oh my God, look at him. Let's go.